got another unboxing for you. Are you interested in essential oils? Have you heard of the Young Living? I am here today with another great unboxing to share with you some of the products that I ordered this month for my essential rewards. Stay with us. Hey friend, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Shirley with Holistic Transformations Massage, also known as Jolly with Jolly's Healing Touch. I love my unboxing videos and love to share them with you. So if you don't know, I am a member and distributor of Young Living products. Young Living makes natural essential oils, 100% therapeutic grade essential oils, and other products, wellness, and I'd like to share some with you today. So, as I've shared before, and I'm gonna share again, my husband and I are part of the Essential Rewards. And what that means is that every month we get a certain amount of the products we need, like detergent, household products, personal products, body care products, so on, essential oils, and so on. So I am just excited to share that with you right now. So let's get into it. All right, so like I said, this is my husband's order, right? So I can tell you our budget was, I ordered for 110 PV, personal volume, and he ordered for 58 personal volume, right? So that was our budget for this month. Anytime you order with Young Living, $100 or more, you get free shipping. So I just pay tax on top of that, and that was my order. All right, let's go. So for small orders, Young Living sends these bags, and you see I'm struggling to pair scissors for this. Okay, so I hacked that open. It's okay. Always an invoice. They always give you an invoice. And here are my oils. Got 2 oils this month. So first is my Digize. Digize, I always make sure to have my Digize on me, in my purse, in my travel case, on my nightstand. Every time I have a little tummy ache or feeling nauseous or feeling a little gassy, I take my Digize, and it's beautiful, it's perfect. And the next one is peppermint. So peppermint is another one of those. I never run out of peppermint. I always make sure to have extra. Peppermint too is good for any tummy issue, but it's also good for, oh my goodness, peppermint is good for so many. Peppermint is good for pain. Peppermint is good for, you know, disinfecting, for breath issues. If you feel a little congested, peppermint is really great for breathing in. Watch that you don't get peppermint close to your eyes. I have a video all about peppermint and its benefits, and you will see that. I'll see that in the description box below. That's my peppermint. So that was the Mister's order. Now to get into mine. And yes. And you know why this is so big? I'm committing to ordering the Ninja Red every month. So I told you what's already in here, but there's more, so stick around. Hey, and also I have an announcement, so stay till the end of the video. I have an announcement to make. Can't wait to share that with you. So I always talk about eco-friendly packaging. So it's recyclable. We can just recycle it, you know, and those of you who send things from home, you can use it to, you know, package your packages or to place in your packages. So these are really great. So I got it again. I got another one. I love my Thieves. I love having it in my purse. It's a great breath freshener. It tastes great. It has 0 sugar. So I love my Thieves Mints, and I love this little tin container. I also like to stitch. So I can see myself using this to like put my needles in, or I don't know, some great, put your little safety pins in here. So I love these little tin containers. I like boxes and containers. So this is another great tin. I love it. Awesome. Right? So you see that I'm like buying some things, they're repetitive, right? So I'm getting my wipes. These wipes are great. They smell really good. They do the job in just a few wipes, so I'm not using as many. They're really big and thick. So I love it. I really love this. I can smell it through the package. It smells absolutely wonderful. So I keep one for myself, and I have one in the baby bag, and and have one in the nightstand. So I have one next. I mean, these are great, and so they're lasting a while. So I had 3 last month. My Seedlings baby wipes. Okay, this is it. There she is. Right, so this is the 3rd time you've seen this before. If you're back, if you're watching this video again, you've seen me order Ninja Red. Ninja Red has a lot of great benefits. It's high in antioxidants. And so let me just talk about my experience with Ninja Red. This is my 3rd month, right? So I have 2 bottles that I share with my husband, and every morning we take an ounce shot. So we're committed to just an ounce. The directions say 2, but we're fine with an ounce each, right? So we take an ounce in the morning each, and I feel a difference. I feel energetic. My sugar cravings are not as much. I'm doing much better with my sugar cravings. I just feel a lot more energy, and I really feel like this is helping us, and we feel much better. We feel much better. So I am committing to purchasing my Young Living Ninja Red and adding that to our self-care practice. All right, so let's talk a little bit about the benefits of Ninja Red. Long-lasting support energy. So it energizes you without some of those effects of those trendy drinks, energy drinks that are on the market. So there's one in particular that's very popular, and I will not name names, but I've used in the past some of those energy drinks, and the jitters that I would get, plus the colors and the sugar and the ingredients, no. So Ninja Red has all natural ingredients, plus it gives you energy naturally without all those weird effects that you get with the others. Revitalizing and total body protection. Really good. It tastes really tasty. So I try not to look at it like a juice so that I don't drink too much. I think one day I was like, oh, this is tasty. Oh my God. And I'm like, no, just 1 ounce. That's all you need. I'm so excited to announce our Self-Care Crew membership program. We provide live hangouts, live webinars. We're doing one-on-one coaching. We are providing exclusive posts, exclusive content, more details on essential oils, how they work, how they benefit you and your family, exclusive discounts and giveaways. Some of the things that I'm particularly excited about is building our self-care toolkit. So being a part of this membership program, you'll get just tools to build up your toolkit, just so you always have some information or something that you can go to when you want to enhance your self-care practice. So our memberships provide that you get an essential oil of the month. Also, merchandise. So check out our membership. We are launching February 1st this year, 2021, and super excited to announce that. So for more information, make sure to follow me on Instagram and visit my website at holistictransformationsmassage.com. Please make sure to comment what your practice. Is there a practice that you do? Do you do a breathing exercise? What do you do to keep your energy up? I'd love to hear more from you. If you like me and like unboxing check out and subscribe to our channel where we have wonderful unboxings from young artists, music artists, to young living oils, so on and so forth. So click that bell, subscribe to our channel. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you on our next video. Bye.